Hi, my name is Karan Singh. I work as a research engineer in Montreal, Canada. I've been suffering from extremely dry eyes and red eyes, and also I had shortness of vision in both my left and right eye. Western medicine does not seem to have an answer for dry eyes. I was recommended artificial tears, and it did not work for me. So from the last 3 years, I've been suffering from this problem. I came to Dr. Gokulan after watching the documentary Ayurveda: The Art of Being, and his treatment has definitely helped me. Tarpana is the one treatment which was outstanding since it helps lubricate the eye, and I hope to I recommend this treatment and Dr. Gokulan and his hospital to anybody who is not finding answers to their eye-related problems in Western medicine. It's definitely worth a shot. Thank you.